Hello and welcome to our ITWU channel. In our last video for ITWU Simple Signature 3.0, we introduced you to the Calculate Hotspot feature of the new version, which allows you to include dynamic links in your signature. Today, as promised, comes the second part of our update video series about the new possibility of our signature tool to set a separate signature for forwarded or replying emails. In order to set a signature as a default reply signature, we first need to create a corresponding template in ITWU Simple Signature and check the Use as Reply Signature option in the signature document. In our example scenario, we mostly reply to internal colleagues or forward emails to them. Since they already know us, we obviously don't want to send our signature with all the contact details they do not need. So we simply created a blank signature template. As you can see in the overview of signature templates in ITWU Simple Signature, the reply signatures here are marked with a green check mark. And as soon as this reply signature is assigned to a person, a group, or an organization, it will automatically appear in replying or forwarded emails of these persons. Now, the next time we reply to a mail, our default reply signature will appear. This also works, of course, if we want to forward an email. And if we now have several reply signatures assigned to us, we can use the signature options in our notes client extended by ITWU Simple Signature to set a different default signature at any time. This way, we can also replace the empty reply signature in the current email with any other signature, in case the recipient of the replied or forwarded email is not an internal recipient after all, and thus needs our contact data from the signature. In order to use the new response signature feature, an HCL Notes mail template version 10 or higher, and of course the new version of ITWU Simple Signature is required. And by the way, there is already an add-on for ITWU Simple Signature for the previously mentioned example scenario concerning emails meant for internal colleagues that do not need a signature. We will show you this add-on with which you can now send internal emails automatically without a signature in the next video. And if you are interested and do not want to wait for the next video, please feel free to contact us. If you want to watch our previous video about the hotspot feature of ITWU Simple Signature version 3.0, please have a look at the linked playlist. If you are interested in giving ITWU Simple Signature a try, please download our free trial version from our homepage. And in case of problems or open questions, you can reach us as usual by phone or by email.